Tynan's house. And Mrs. Tynan, you've used me for the last couple of years. So this review is actually going to be more impactful than some of the ones I get where people only use me one time. And how do you feel about me and my services?
Excellent. Couldn't be better.
Wow.
Couldn't be better. Every time you come, it's an amazing job. That's why I always call you back, because I know I won't get anybody better than you, because I've used other people and they don't even come to your standards.
Wow. Thank you so much. That means everything. So my last question is, would you refer me to anyone that's watching this review?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Tiny.